Simplify a matrix times another matrix. All right. Whenever you're multiplying two matrices together, you need to make sure that you kind of figure out the dimensions and make sure you can even do it in the first place. So this guy has two rows, 1, 2, 3 columns, 2 by 3. This guy has 1, 2, 3 rows and 2 columns, like so. So whenever the amount of columns for the first matrix is the exact same as the amount of rows for the second matrix, you're good to go. And what you end up with is whatever these outer numbers are, which is a 2 by 2. So we are going to end up with a 2 by 2, just like I did the other day when I went to Lowe's. Yes. 2 by 2 is a type of piece of wood. All right. Now, I'm going to need a whole lot of space, so there we go. We're going to end up with a 2 by 2, so let me get my dashes. When you multiply two matrices together, you split the first matrix by their rows and the second matrix by their columns. In order for me to find the result of the first row, first column here, I need to start multiplying corresponding elements and adding everything in between. So what I do is I take the first element in the first row and the first element of the first column and multiply them together. 6u times negative 3u is negative 18u squared, and then I add. Okay? Then we do it again. 2u times 6u is going to be 12u squared. And then we add, and what color didn't I use? Blue. U squared times negative 6u is going to be negative 6u cubed. Now, I know this kind of looks sloppy with the plus negative thing. I'll clean all that up because, as you can see, we're going to end up combining like terms anyway. Okay, let's get rid of these colors. Let's get rid of them so we can do the next row column combination thing. Oh, it's like almost the Olympics thing. Remember the Olympics? Of course you do. Okay. So now I want to do the first row, second column. So multiply the first element in each. 6u times 1 is going to be 6u. Okay. 2u times 3v, adding an extra letter, is going to be 6uv. And u squared times v is going to be u squared v, again, plus signs in between. All right, so that completes the complete first row. Now we move on to the second row, and we'll do second row, first column, second row, first column. All right, I'm going to stop drawing all over my picture so I don't make it sloppy. uv times negative 3u is going to be negative 3u squared v. v squared and 6u is going to be positive 6uv squared in no particular order. Negative 2v squared, negative 6u is going to be positive 12uv squared. Okay, let's finish this thing out. Again, I know I have to combine like terms. We're not there quite yet. uv times 1, uv. v squared times 3v is positive 3v cubed, and negative 2v and v is going to be positive negative 2v cubed. All right, let's combine some like terms. Let's make this a little bit bigger so it doesn't look so sloppy and jumbled up. Hopefully I left myself enough space. Let me scooch it over just in case I didn't. Why the heck not? All right, negative 18u squared, 12u squared is going to give me negative 6u squared. This is supposed to be a u cubed. I know it looks like squared, but that's a u cubed. So this is going to be plus a negative minus 6u cubed. That's the top left. Negative 6u squared minus 6u cubed. The top right, which we'll do in a different color, nothing combined. So it's just going to be 6u plus 6 uv plus u squared v. Bottom left, do we have any? Yep, we have some combinations. We have this one right here. These two combine. So negative 3 u squared v, nothing happens there. But this becomes 18 u v squared. And on the bottom right, let's go to blue. On the bottom right, I have two v cubes that are going to combine. So I'm going to have uv. 3v cubed minus 2v cubed is 1v cubed. And there you have it. There's our 2x2 matrix with lots of u's and lots of v's. Sounds like I need some sunscreen because of the UV rays. Like and subscribe.